Want to grow your own potatoes at home? It's easier than you think. Let's get started. Start with certified seed potatoes, not store-bought ones. Cut them into chunks with at least 1 eye each. Let them dry for 24 hours before planting. Find a sunny spot and dig a trench about 8 inches deep. Place the seed pieces eyes up, spaced 12 inches apart, and cover them with 6 inches of soil. In 1 to 2 weeks, small green sprouts will appear. As they grow, keep adding soil around the stems to prevent potatoes from turning green and toxic. Water consistently. Potatoes need 1 inch of water per week. Keep the soil moist, but not soaked to avoid rot. Mulch helps retain moisture and keeps weeds away. Use straw or dry leaves for better growth. After about 8 to 10 weeks, flowers will appear. This means young potatoes are forming. You can dig up a few small ones now or wait for a full harvest. When leaves start turning yellow and dry, it's time to harvest. Gently dig around the plant and pull out your homegrown potatoes. Brush off excess dirt and store them in a cool, dark place for long-term freshness. Avoid washing until ready to use. That's it. Fresh, homegrown potatoes in just a few weeks. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.